members, currently we are open for electrotechnical officers to join on board with our offshore vessels, especially for PSV and AHTS vessels. The area will be on West Africa and to join on board as soon as possible. Yeah, we are open for all nationalities, so we have no problem with all countries. So we will accept it you if you have good experiences for this the same of the vessels and also for electrotechnical officers. Yeah, you need to have good English because this is all nationalities. So the vessels on board with all nationalities also in the vessels. So you need to communicate every day with English. So the English is must. And the salary will be 6,300 US dollar per month, and the rotation will be 60 days on and 60 days off. So if you are interested for these vacancies, you can send your application to our email, or you can put it directly to our lead database. We will provide you all information about our link database and the email to this video description. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to your friend. Bye bye.